Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. Hello, my YouTube family. Seasonal greetings. Please, if today now your first time to come across my video, I beg, like, subscribe, and comment. And also, the notification bell, always hit it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to my old subscribers. Also, thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate. I thank all of una. Una take they subscribe for me, they support me, they watch, they share. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Meanwhile, today topic now about one girl. But I know person I dey laugh for. The reason why I dey laugh be say the thing dey funny. The girl enter relationship with one man. Abeg, una no vex say I dey laugh. Now na the man say the relationship, the girl no go fit comot from inside again. The relationship, she must continue. In the sense that say the man in question, he get wife for house. My people, una dey hear me so. The matter funny. The man say the girl must continue the relationship. She can never say no to the relationship. Meanwhile, for real, as the girl explained the story to me too, I blame her. I blame her well, well. I quarrel with her. I said, no, this one not good. You not choose where you fuck up. How? I said she take fuck up so. Because the man tell her from the beginning, say, he get wife. But he and his wife, they not dey together. They not dey the same house. So the girl come say she no get problem. She go enter that kind of relationship. She can't enter. They push, they go. They date for 1 full year. 1 full year. Inside the matter, so you know, say they say this life a very small world. It's a small world we are living in. Inside the matter, so the wife of the man come be this girl friend, sister. Una understand the story like that, so the wife to the man with this girl they date, na her friend, sister. Na so, correct, confirm. Na so the matter be. Meanwhile, as the sister know say na her sister husband, na her friend they date. So, my people, anybody wey dey that shoe, una no go ever clap for that una friend say, na so continue. Date my sister husband. Never. Nobody go. No sister go do that kind of thing for her, to her sister. You go ever beg the friend, say, I beg, give my sister peace for her husband house. Quit the relationship. And so, my sister, my people, na so the girl and the friend come talk to each other, say, babe, as it be so, say, na my sister husband, now you dey date, so I beg, no vex. I fit beg for a favor. She say yes. It's okay. I beg. Quit the relationship. Because me and you no fit dey do friend dey go. Make you dey date my sister husband. And my sister husband who they talk to, they marry. Before, when you take meet the girl, they not dey the same house. But now, they don't dey the same house together. Get pikin together also. Now the girl say, okay, thank you, my friend. But I know you call her na till and say, I don't want again. I know you call her na till and say, I don't want again. The only thing you go do for me, give me time, make I suffer it, because I know the kind of man wey he be. He dey quit the verse. May not come verse beat me, or may not come verse even beat your own sister. Wetin go happen? You go still join me oh. You wey be this my friend so. You go join me, calm your sister down, assure your sister say I go leave her husband. Na the friend tell her friend also say no problem. I go talk to my sister the way you take talk to me so, say you go leave my husband. The sister really talk to her sister. The friend also talk. Everybody conclude on the matter. The only issue wey they can't get come be the man. The man say lie. Say this girl, e no fit go back from that relationship. He said they don't start am. They don't start am because he tell her from the beginning say he get wife. The girl say she no get problem. Now the girl come still explain to am say, brah, I hear say you really tell me before say you get wife. But that time, you and your wife no dey house together. You and your wife no dey house together. Na im make I accept. But since you and your wife don dey house together now, I no fit again. And not only that one, my friend na your wife sister, which we no know before. But now, as we don't know, I need to quit the relationship. Now the bros say lie. He said the girl don sign contract. Una no vex say I laugh oh. The matter very funny oh. He said the girl don sign contract. The girl must continue the relationship. The girl say no. She no fit continue again because you and your wife don dey the same house. She herself don first born for another man. So she wan go back to her man, make dem settle. Now they hear the story so. She wan go back to her man, make dem settle. The bros say no way. She cannot go back to her man. She cannot date another man except only him. The matter they don't battle the matter. The bros not gree say he go quit that relationship. The bros say like that relationship, they no dey quit am. My country people. Wetin make me dey tell una so? I beg some of my ladies wey never marry, wey never born, or maybe you don't even still born, you never marry, you no come something definitely, I don't know how to put am there. Something can't happen. It can't happen again. Say you and the man where you first born for no come dey again. I beg my sisters, I beg una. Make una try make that relationship work with the first man where you born for. Because if anything make am get K-leg, my sister, it go hard one side. But another side, if it still be say the person never meet her husband before he born. You know say people dey like that. Some people dey, you fit born for them, they no be your husband. Last, you come meet your husband wey go favor you, wey go give you joy, give you happiness wey you need for your life. Wetin I dey talk dey come be say, before you go into any relationship, if the man, I beg me, I dey beg so, if the man tell you say, I get wife, I don first born, one woman don first born for me, but we no dey together, my sister. Before you accept, confirm wetin happen wey make him and that woman no first dey together. Because this story wey I dey tell una dey come so na very long story. So I no go just keep everything for this video today. I will cut am short. Next video we go continue. It will be part 2 or episode 2 because na very long episode. So as we dey talk, so to cut am short now, the bros say he no dey leave this girl for waste. She must continue relationship. The girl say she no dey continue because so many things don't involve. She no go fit continue. As I dey talk to you now, the girl say the guy dey threaten her now. Say he wan go report her to child welfare. Una know her, una know them, una dey hear about them. Anybody wey get pikin for this country, Germany, know wetin I dey talk about. You get am, child welfare. The bros now say he wan go report the girl to child welfare. Say she no sabi take care of pikin. Just because of say the girl say he no want again. My people, I blame the girl as I first talk am from the beginning. I blame her well, well, because she made a very wrong mistake for accepting when the man they talk to her. Tell am say, I get wife oh, but we no dey the same house. She made mistake wey she take accept. So now the girl don come back to her normal senses. Before she be no know wetin she dey do when she take accept. Her brain come take reset, na she take say she no fit continue this kind relationship again. Na she be wan take quit. So when the bros say she no go fit quit am, is either im go report her to child welfare make dem collect the girl enemy pikin, or the girl come back to am. Meanwhile, me ask the girl now, say, okay, wetin come be your fate? The girl say she no dey go back. She say she no dey go back. Why? Because she no fit again. She say e get so many things wey she even dey bear for that 1 year relationship wey she start with the man. Just as say she fuck up from the beginning to accept that kind of proposal. So my people, we will drop this video for here. Abeg, if today na your first time to come across my video, abeg my sister, make una, my brothers, my daddies, my mummies, abeg make una no fail to always subscribe for me. Always hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be the first person to get notified. Always like, share, comment. Abeg this topic, so after you listen to am finish, abeg comment section, I go dey there dey wait for questions. Abeg make una ask question, make una comment on this topic. My YouTube family, I love you all. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you everyone. Thank you, thank you. And abeg, this my YouTube, so we get many ogbonge tori wey we go dey tori for here. Abeg o, make una try, make una dey subscribe for me, like, comment and share. Thank you everyone. My old subscribers, thank you. My new ones, thank you everyone. And this topic we will just start today, so next time we go do episode 2 on this relationship by force matter. Relationship before not be by force, so but nowadays some of them don dey turn to by force. Thank you everyone. See you next time on my next video. Bye.